G'day folks, today we are going to put three gimbals head to head to see which one offers the best stabilization. We've got the FeiyuTech G5, we've got the new FeiyuTech G6, and we've got the Karma Grip. So to keep things as fair as possible, I'm going to walk the same path with each gimbal, same speed, same everything. So I'm going to play the footage side by side so we can get a good feel of how they all perform. And then I'm going to speed up the footage by 6 times. Speeding up the footage helps show any kind of jitter and different things like that, and maybe help see which one does offer the better stabilization. So let's get at it. So I've been looking at the footage over and over and over again, and really the consensus is, in my opinion, that they all offer very similar stabilization. If I had to pick one, I would have to say the G6 is a little bit smoother than the other ones, but I mean marginally, and I couldn't even really tell, to tell you the truth. I'm really interested to hear your opinion. Maybe comment down below which one you thought provided the smoothest video. You know, when things are that close, it just shows you that all three of these gimbals provide excellent stabilization. They're all pretty similar. When it comes to features and different things like that, there's obviously some differences. But as for stabilization, I would have to say all three are pretty close. Well, folks, that's it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe if you're in the market for a gimbal, maybe this helped make up your mind. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. If you are in the market for maybe one of the new G6s, I'm going to be doing a 30-day in update video. I've had a good amount of time to use it. I've been using it quite a bit, so now I can give you my opinion, what I really think of it. So stay tuned for that. That'll be available in about a week and a half or so. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.